Hey everybody, are you guys ready for the first of many contests on YouTube? This contest was at the end of a video that we had these beautiful hexagon quilt Anita Goodesign full collections to give away. So we have two of these collections to give away, and what we do is we put all the names of everyone who commented, and we put them in a randomizer. So that's what we're doing right now. And once we put the URL in, then it randomly selects a person. And we're going to do this twice so we can get two winners from this. So this is awesome and this is very exciting. So all you have to do is put the URL in, click the start button, and it's going to randomly pick for us. You see all the names going through there. Now our first winner is Kathy RADICH. Kathy RADICH. So yay, congratulations, Kathy. I need you to send me an email to sue@omlembroidery.com so we can send it out to you. All right, so the second one, same thing. You can see it's right there, and we're gonna start it again and pick a random second name. And the second name to win the second copy is C. Lombard. So C. Lombard, send me an email at sue@omlembroidery.com. And all we need is your address, and we will send you the Anita Goodesign collections. So stay tuned, there'll be more.